So this is using OBS Studio. I'll have the link in the description. All you need to do is press download installer. That'll take you through the steps. Run this installer, and then you'll be good to go. So once you've actually installed OBS, it's very simple. Go to scene collection, press new, enter the name of the new scene. For this, I already have one, but you can name it anything, for example, Discord. Press OK on that, and it'll take you to something like this. Now, you won't have anything in here. This is just here so you can see it. First thing that you want to do is right-click, add, audio input capture. Call this something memorable, like RC505, and press OK. Change the device to your in, RC505, and press OK. Now it should appear in the audio mixer, and when you type or make sounds, the bar will go up and down, and that's exactly what you want to see. Now the main screen in the middle will just be black. You can change this by adding a number of things. For example, you could add a display capture to capture your monitor's display, or a video capture device, which will allow you to add your camera to this so people can see you as if you're putting your webcam on. I'm just going to leave mine how it is just to save time. So the next thing you want to do is right-click the settings cog of your RC505, go to Advanced Audio Properties, and where it says Monitor Off, Monitor and Output, and press Close. At this point, you'll be able to hear yourself. It'll be like a weird echo, but don't worry, that'll get solved in a second. So next you want to go to Settings, and then you want to go to Audio, and where it says Advanced Monitoring Device Out RC505, you want to change this to a device that doesn't exist or that you can't hear. For example, I'm going to use headphones Oculus virtual audio device. Now, I have no idea why this is still an option. I don't have my Oculus plugged in, but something good would be, for example, your monitor, your display monitor, and then you can mute your output of the monitor, and then press apply, and then OK, and then you won't be able to hear yourself through OBS. And then once this is done, you're pretty much all set up. All you need to do is on a main monitor display, you want to right-click and press Window Projector Preview. This will open a little box. Now, the bigger you make this box, the higher quality resolution your stream will be. But you can't just make it small if it's just a display. The audio quality will always be perfect. Now, at this point, you always want to leave this window on top. You can minimize OBS, no problem at all, but you do want to keep this window on top. At this point, you can open Discord, join a channel. You want to mute yourself in the channel, and then you want to screen share Window Projector Preview. You want to screen share this, press Go Live, and then the stream will be this preview. So whatever you have in this OBS window, people will see with your audio going in. And if you are on a Mac device, whilst you start your screen share, you want to follow this give. So when you start your screen share, it will say audio screen share on your device needs some setup. Press the link, scroll down in voice and video settings, and then where it says screen share install, press install on that, enter your password, wait a couple of seconds, and you'll be good to go. If you do have any issues, feel free to contact me on Discord. It will be in the description. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Massive shout out to Beardyman and his team, and Nonlogical for showing me how to do this.